Kani kadai ka Patisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi, belawan rasyapi da ka rupa, bapentingin bat penbha.
Ka Coordination Committee jong ka kanhon senrap lang jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance basun syar ha kajela ha ka arp khandai tarik mentaw bnai risau arja katpra kam syam lala satya ban syam ye kanu kanu karai ban sei ye ukertong ye monlang na ka benta ka election MP Shalok Sabha ka ban salong house nam arja kat khandai banwan ka Coordination Committee ka bala mi khmat na baro anriu tuli kisang san partai bakan top iki MLA Klemseng kala e menta halaki jong kisang san partai banya salok ye kani kaman banjit yu kertong yang manlang haswa banjikran biang ya kani kaman ha ka jelang jong Coordination Committee ke ban salong hadien la ban kadaw hang ni baka MDA ka kentop ya ka NPP ka UDP ka PDF ka HSPDP ka BJP ka NCP bat ki MLA Klemseng kalalum kerki ya ka jelang jong Coordination Committee namar ka jingklot ki issue sei kertong yang manlang jong ka kanhon MDA na po Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kani ka jingkhot kerki ya ka jelang jong committee kadai ru hadien baka jingmi pajba jong ka United Democratic Party badawa ya ka NPP bakadai ban kersan yu kertong jong ka UDP na Shillong Parliamentary Seat kum ukertong ya monlang jong ka kanhon MDA bad hakaju ka por kala terwapan ban kersan yu kertong ka NPP na po tura Parliamentary Seat.
This is a regular meeting that the MDA has. We try to make it a point to meet at least once a month and to express if there are any concerns or any kind of difficulties that any of the party or their members are facing. And this is basically to improve the coordination and communication between the party and the coalition members. So it was basically that, and so certain issues that individual parties had, those were discussed. So that was a general thing. It's a very general meeting. With the issue of the Lok Sabha, of course that also had come up because it's been something that's been talked about even in the press. And we've been talked with individual members. So all the parties expressed their views, and finally the parties said that they need to discuss further with all political parties, and therefore all the political parties and the individuals requested that if they could go back to their parent party and discuss in detail, because this would be the first time that we've actually discussed this in an MDA. So therefore opinions were given and ideas were given, and ultimately it was decided that let the individual members and the coordination committee members go back to their parent political party and discuss more in detail all the points that were discussed in the coordination committee. All the political parties expressed their opinions and their views, and since this is the first time it was discussed at this level, at this coordination committee of the MDA, which I would say would be the appropriate body to discuss this. So since it was the first time, so each of the political parties then requested that, saying that if they could be allowed to discuss further with their political parties and then come back to the coalition. So we had a first time, I guess, this topic was brought up. So I think it would be too early to say anything on that aspect.